Hi guys, Jamie McIntyre here. Just want to talk to you very quickly today about a blueprint opportunity for e-commerce. I know many of you are very interested in becoming a part of some of our retreats to learn how to make $10,000 per month upwards. This is one way. Part of that way is to give you a way to earn money while you're learning. I'm a big believer in the best way to learn something is to get into action, start doing it. Now in e-commerce it may take a while. Like one of my mates is making a killing at Amazon. He's very realistic with people, so it can take 6-12 months to find the right product, find the right niche, brand it, market, set it all up. We don't want you waiting 12 months to be able to make money, whether it's from Amazon or Shopify or e-commerce, any different ways. We want you making money within the first few weeks, or definitely the first month of beginning your journey of learning. One of the reasons I partnered with E-Commerce Institute was simply because it's a great collection of educators that are willing to share their knowledge about e-commerce and how to be a highly paid consultant, and a host of other strategies go with it. So I'm very proud to be associated with them, and they have a blueprint business that enables people to make that six-figure income, that $10,000 a month or more, pretty much, some people are doing pretty much instantly. So let me just run through how that works very quickly. It's basically utilizing what's known as attraction marketing. And you'll be taught all this and you'll be provided all this. This is why it makes it very simple, because you don't have to go and find your own product, create your own marketing campaigns, know how to run Facebook ads, etc. It's all pretty much done for you. But pretty much you'll be given some simple ways to post to attract people who will be interested in this. And you might do a post on Facebook and you'll be given what's known as an affiliate link, and that will drive it to a web page where your prospects or people that are interested in finding out about this will be able to watch some short videos, etc. And then if it just resonates with them, they want to be involved in knowing how to make $10,000 per month or upwards, having the laptop lifestyle, working from anywhere in the world, which, as you know, is highly popular. Most people now want to be able to have that freedom and choice. If that resonates with them, they want to learn how to do that, then what they'll have to do is fill out an application. They'll have to apply and fill out a simple application, won't take them very long, and then they will get a free strategy session that might only take 15-20 minutes, where a e-commerce coach, consultant that's partnering with the E-Commerce Institute will be able to qualify and see if they're suitable to participate in the educational programs and retreats that E-Commerce Institute has available. Does it make sense? It's very simple. So a lot of people want to know this, so they're going to get some free information. Then if they really want to be involved, they can apply, and then they will be screened, and if suitable, they'll be able to enroll and register into e-commerce programs. Just quickly, E-Commerce Institute has two particular programs. The $10,000 plus per month laptop retreat to learn how to generate that income plus per month is $2,500 USD. And they also have payment plans from as little as $900 a month as well. Then they have a second level program, which is a more advanced program, and that's for people that are ready to go to the next level, to learn off people making $100,000 plus per month. So what's it going to take to be able to train someone to generate that sort of e-commerce type business or consulting business through e-commerce off their laptop, working anywhere in the world. Now remember this, in these retreats they teach a whole array of strategies. Some of the things might be import, export, drop shipping, Shopify, Amazon, a whole host. So you're not stuck with just one strategy. You're going to learn pretty much every strategy there is that's working out there in e-commerce. But then many people, after you master this level, the first step is to get you to making $10,000 a month from a laptop anywhere in the world. Then naturally we're going to look at how do you scale that up to get you making $100,000 a month if you believe that's something that you want to achieve one day. If you haven't crawled before you can walk and you've never made any money in e-commerce, you might just want to focus what's it going to take to make a few thousand, get up to $10,000 a month. But once you're there, then it starts to become possible in your mind of how you can scale that up to these sorts of incomes. Does that make sense? If you wish to go to that level, if that's what you want to do, then they have a program for that, which is $7,500. So that's the two programs that E-Commerce Institute has. As I said, I'm happy to partner with them. I'm an affiliate with them, and I'm happy to endorse and promote these programs to my network. I'm also one of the educators that will be speaking at some of these events as well, because I believe in them, And of course, I always made that promise years ago that I would share strategies that work for me. Okay. Plus, I'm a student. I'm learning so much from the resources that the Institute provides. So let's run through how you would generate a $10,000 a month laptop income while you're learning what you're being taught at E-Commerce Institute. It's very simple. What they will do is that every sale that you make, as a result, that comes through this filter system, applies and is successfully enrolled by a coach. If it's a $2,500 program, you're getting 20%. Does that make sense? So 20% on the $2,500 program is $500 US every time one of the coaches successfully enrolls someone that's applied and has qualified to be a part of these programs. Make sense? Then what will happen, now if it's a $7,500 program, what they do at the moment with the special, anyone that registers for the $7,500 is qualified to go into that program, they will throw this program in for free. So they do that, you're getting a big, 1,500 USD in affiliate income. So you can see just by while you're learning about these things, just by doing some simple posts on Facebook or some Facebook ads that you'll be quickly trained how to do, you can start generating quite substantial income fairly quickly. Then what happens as you go and help your team, it's all tracked. These people that become involved, most of them are going to want to be affiliates earning $10,000 a month from this system. Why they're learning about e-commerce is that you're going to get a massive 30% on anyone that you help or they go out and generate sales. So if you're looking at 30% there, you're looking at 750 or here at 30% is a massive, what's that, $2,500, okay, USD. So, and that's on every single one on the second level of the affiliate system. So it's really designed to get you up a train, becoming an expert as quickly as possible as an e-commerce institute consultant or coach, if that's what you want to do. But if you don't want to be a coach or consultant, there's coaches and consultants that will qualify these people and register them if they meet the qualifying criteria to be involved with the E-Commerce Institute. Makes sense? So now you can start to see as that expands, there's substantial income. Every time one of these people come in, you are generating income. Then levels 3 to 5, you can qualify for leadership bonuses, which is 2.5% on each of those levels, which can amount up to tens of thousands of dollars. And then 6, 7, and 8, they pay additional 1% bonuses on all the sales in those levels. By the time you have a business expanding that, you could have hundreds and hundreds of clients in your system tracked back to you. So to generate $10,000 a month from your laptop with E-Commerce Institute as an affiliate can happen quite quickly as an individual, and that's designed so you're making money while you're going through the courses to learn how to develop other forms of income. You might want to now have a product on Amazon and Shopify. You might want to develop a highly paid consultancy business. While you're learning all about those things, you are earning money as you go. Does that sound pretty cool? That's why I'm a big fan of E-Commerce Institute and the collection of educators that put this together, and that's why I'm happy to be involved. Talk to you soon.